How to taste wine in 3 simple steps. Let's wine together. And it's the best part right now, the mouth of wine. What does it mean? It means that we gotta drink it. I could use this big bucket. This wine is way too good. But in a professional tasting, we use that not to get drunk. Now, you see me doing that little kind of like gargles? What have I done? I have allowed oxygen in my palate to enhance the character of wine, to understand its characteristics. Now, when it comes to the taste, your focus has to be on 4 things only. Sweetness on the tip of the tongue, saltiness right in the middle of it, and then you have bitterness like artichokes at the end, and acidity like lemon juice on the sides of your mouth. What you see me doing right now is still the acidity of the wine. I'm creating salivation, and that's exactly why wine was invented. It has to be refreshing, right? So, once again, sweet, salt, bitter, and acidity. That's it. That's all your mouth is able to detect in a wine. And as a matter of fact, in everything in life, anything you eat, anything that goes into your mouth is not your mouth telling whether you're having a lemon or a chocolate, but it's only your sense of smell. That's very interesting, isn't it? Well, now, what else is there though when we taste wine? There is some other stuff. Yes, you see the tea bag? That's for the tannins. Right now, on my lips, I'm getting this kind of like a astringent coatiness sensation. That's given by the tannins of red wines, antioxidants, that apparently are gonna let the wine age longer and maybe even ourselves. But the result on the palate is exactly what happens when you have a tea bag. Not a tea bag, when you have tea. You make a cup of tea, you go for a shower, and then you forgot your tea bag there, and when you go drink your tea, you go like this, right? So when you taste wine, it's more to taste than just flavors. It's also about texture. Is the wine velvet, or is it harsh? Is the wine astringent, or is it mellow? Is it smooth and round, or is it acidical, vertical? So think about all these elements and find some metaphors to describe the wine. But most of all, think whether that is a good wine for you or not. That's the most important thing. And whether you taste a white, a red, a sparkling, or a dessert wine, remember, sight, nose, and mouth are the 3 major steps for any wine that you taste. Now, what else is there? I basically turned you into professional somms. So for me, this is all. Thank you very much for following. Arrivederci. Did you learn anything new today? If you have any questions, just ask. And of course, for more tips, tricks, and love, follow us on our social media and our wine classes. And enjoy it like a true Italiano.